What is pub's No-Cache-Dir good for? I've recently seen that No-Cache-Dir being used in a Docker file. I've never seen that flag before and the help is not explaining it. Question, what is cached? Question, what is the cache used for? Question, why would I want to disable it?
Cached is store away in hiding or for future use. Used for store the installation files or .whl, etc. of the modules that you install through pip. Store the source files or .tar.gz, etc. to avoid redownload when not expired. Possible reason you might want to disable cache. You don't have space on your hard drive. Previously run or pip install with unexpected settings. E.g. previously run export pycal_ssl_library equals NSS and or pip install pycal. Want new run or export pycal_ssl_library equals OpenSL and or pip install pycal compile No-Cache-Dir. You want to keep a Docker image as small as possible. Links to documentation. This URL at imregen. This URL at MyKia.
I think there is a good reason to use No-Cache-Dir when you are building Docker images. The cache is usually useless in a Docker image, and you can definitely shrink the image size by disabling the cache.
Another reason to disable the pip cache: if you run pip as a user that does not yet exist, their home directory will be created, but owned by root. This happens to us when building Amazon Amos in a CRUT. Pip is being run as a user that exists on the builder machine, but not in the CRUT jail where the AMI is being constructed. This is problematic as that specific user can now not SSH to what was just built as their .ssh directory is not readable by them. I can't think of any other reason pip would be run as a user that doesn't exist though, so it's very much an edge case.
Reduce your Docker image size if you're having Python dependencies in your Docker file, as your private registries/artifactories or your deployment services may have size limitation.
From FasterP official doc. The No-Cache-Dir option tells pip to not save the downloaded packages locally, as that is only if pip was going to be run again to install the same packages, but that's not the case when working with containers. Basically, there is no need to store whatever package cache you're installing locally since it is not required by Docker containers.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.